Hi, greetings and welcome to all viewers to another interesting productivity talk by the Asian Productivity Organization on the topic of big data analytics and visualization for productivity. I am Gülçin Manzakaydan, Head of Department, Director General for Strategic Research and Productivity, Minister of Industry and Technology, Republic of Turkiye, and the moderator for this P-Talk. In today's world, data play an important role in informed decision-making in organizations. Breaking down and redefining complex data by using analytical tools and visualization techniques, for example, graphs, charts, and animation, make it easy to understand big data. When people say data is the new oil, the dataset can be imagined as crude oil and big data visualization as refined oil. The adage that a picture is worth 1,000 words aptly captures the essence of big data visualization. It allows us to make observations and gather insights. Since the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic, big data have become more important as many organizations migrated their business processes to online platforms to ensure continuous growth. Today's P-Talk revolves around the needs and requirements of organizations to adapt analytical and visualization techniques to represent big data for productivity improvement and bring innovative ideas for their businesses to remain competitive in the changed global setting. We are fortunate to have Elif Tugce Cinar with us today to share her views on the importance of big data analytics and visualization for productivity improvement and effective decision-making in organizations. Good morning, Elif, and thank you so much for giving us your valuable time. How are you today?
Good morning, Gülçin. Quite all right. How are you today?
Fine, I'm doing well, thank you. Before your presentation, let me give a brief introduction for our viewers. Elif Çınar is presently Head of Department, Entrepreneur Information System Department, Director General for Strategic Research and Productivity, Minister of Industry and Technology, Turkiye. She holds a master's degree in computer engineering from Top University of Economics and Technology, Turkiye, and her main areas of interest include database management, big data, data mining, machine learning, artificial intelligence, business intelligence, and data analysis. Now I'll turn over the session to Elif if she is ready to deliver her presentation and share her thoughts. Elif, the session is yours.
Thank you, Gülçin. Thank you very much. Today, we will talk about big data analytics and data visualization for productivity. But before starting, I'd like to thank to Asian Productivity Organization and our National Productivity Organization, our Directorate General, as well as Asian Productivity Organization for this valuable experience. Now, let's move with our presentation plan. Here on the screen, you see the plan, and we will have a brief introduction about big data analytics and visualization for productivity, then the definitions of big data analytics, data visualization, and we will have a look at how to enhance productivity. And we will have a use case for our Turkish Republic's Entrepreneur Information System, currently, which I am the department head of this system, and then we will conclude our presentation. So, in the digital era, the generation of vast amounts of data has become a norm. From social media interactions and online transactions to sensor data and machine logs, the volume, velocity, and variety of data have reached unprecedented levels. The amount of data generated growing exponentially, giving birth to a phenomenon known as big data. Big data refers to vast and complex data sets that cannot be easily managed or analyzed using traditional, conventional data processing techniques. The true potential of this data lies not in its sheer size, but in the valuable insights and actionable information it can provide when harnessed effectively. On one hand, big data analytics, a field that focuses on extracting meaningful patterns, correlations, and trends from large and complex data sets. And on the other hand, productivity is the art of achieving more with the available resources, maximizing output, and optimizing efficiency. In today's data-driven world, organizations are constantly seeking ways to increase productivity and make informed decisions. One of the most powerful tools at their disposal is big data analytics, which allows them to extract valuable insights from large volumes of data. However, raw data alone is not enough. To truly harness its potential, organizations need effective data visualization techniques. Those can transform complex information into meaningful visual representations. Now, big data analytics is the process of examining huge data sets to uncover hidden patterns, unknown correlations, and trends. Those can guide decision making, optimize operations, and drive innovation. It encompasses various techniques such as data mining, machine learning, statistical analysis, predictive modeling, and data visualization. By leveraging these tools, organizations can gain a deeper understanding of their data and extract actionable intelligence to inform strategic initiatives. On the screen, we see various V definitions of big data analytics. We have 3V, 4, 5, 7, 8, or 10 Vs. Now today we will talk about the 7V definition of big data analytics, which is covering the visualization as well. The first V, volume, refers to vast amount of data generated from various sources such as social media, sensors, and transactional systems. The second one, velocity, relates to the speed at which data is generated and the need to process and analyze it in near real time to gain insights and make informed decisions. Third one, variety, describe the diverse types of data, including structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data, such as text, images, videos, and sensor data. The fourth one is veracity, focuses on the reliability and trustworthiness of data, as big data can often contain, unfortunately, noise, errors, or inconsistencies. The fifth one is value, indicates the importance of extracting meaningful insights and value from big data to drive decision-making, innovation, and competitive advantage. The sixth one is visualization, emphasizes the need for effective data visualization techniques to represent and communicate complex patterns and relationships within big data sets. The last and not the least one, variability, accounts for the fluctuating nature of data, including its sources, formats, and quality over time. Now we will have a look at a few applications of big data analytics. When we are talking about data visualization, of course, business intelligence has significance. The first one is business intelligence. Big data analytics empowers organizations to make data-driven decisions by uncovering patterns, trends, and correlations in their operational data. It enables businesses to optimize processes, improve customer experience, and identify new revenue opportunities. By analyzing customer behavior and preferences, companies can personalize marketing campaigns, develop targeted advertising, and enhance customer satisfaction. The second one is healthcare. The healthcare industry generates vast amounts of data from electronic health records, medical devices, and genomic research. Big data analytics can help improve patient outcomes, enhance clinical decision-making, and accelerate drug discovery. Predictive analytics can identify high-risk patients, optimize treatment plans, and enable early disease detection, leading to proactive intervention and reduced healthcare costs. The third application is smart cities. As urban areas become more connected, big data analytics plays a crucial role in building smarter and sustainable cities. It enables the analysis of data from various sources, such as sensors, traffic cameras, and social media to optimize traffic management, improve public safety, and enhance resource allocation. By harnessing real-time data, city planners can make informed decisions to create livable environments for their citizens. The last one is finance. The finance industry relies heavily on data analysis for risk assessment, fraud detection, and investment decisions. Big data analytics can analyze vast amounts of financial data in real time, enabling organizations to detect anomalies, prevent fraudulent activities, and make informed investment choices. It also facilitates algorithmic trading and automated decision-making processes. Let's have a look at implications and opportunities of big data. The first issue is data-driven decision-making. Big data analytics enables businesses to make informed decisions based on concrete evidence rather than relying on guesswork. By analyzing historical data and real-time information, organizations can identify opportunities, mitigate risks, and optimize their operations for maximum efficiency. The second one is improved operational efficiency. Big data analytics enables organizations to optimize their operations and processes. By analyzing data from various sources, organizations can identify bottlenecks, streamline workflows, and reduce costs. This leads to improved efficiency, productivity, and resource allocation. The third issue is predictive analytics. By leveraging advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques, big data analytics can predict future trends and outcomes. This predictive capability enables businesses to anticipate market change, adapt quickly, and stay ahead of the competition. And the last one is personalized experiences. Big data allows organizations to understand individual preferences and deliver personalized experiences. By analyzing customer data, businesses can tailor products, services, and marketing campaigns to meet specific needs and preferences, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. Now, while it has considerations and its opportunities, it also has challenges and other considerations in this area. So the first one is, of course, data privacy and security. As organizations collect and analyze large volumes of data, protecting personal information and maintaining data privacy becomes critical. Regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulation, abbreviated GDPR, impose strict guidelines on data usage, storage, and consent. Big data often contains sensitive and personal information. Organizations must adhere to privacy regulations and implement robust security measures to protect data from unauthorized access and misuse. Second one is data quality and integration. Ensuring data accuracy, completeness, and consistency is crucial for obtaining reliable insights. Data integration from disparate sources and data cleansing processes are necessary to eliminate inconsistencies and create a unified view of the data. Ensuring the quality and accuracy of big data is crucial. With data coming from various sources, data cleaning, data integration, and data validation become essential steps in the data processing pipeline. The third one is data management. Processing and analyzing large data sets requires significant computational power and storage infrastructure. Organizations need to invest in robust infrastructure or consider cloud-based solutions to handle the scale and complexity of big data analytics. And the last one is talent and skills gap. The field of big data requires skilled professionals who can analyze and derive insights from complex data sets. There is a growing demand for data scientists, data engineers, and data analysts. Of course, the visual communication has its own unique power, so let's talk about this. Data visualization is the graphical representation of data and information. It combines art, design, and analysis to present complex data sets in a visually appealing and easily understandable format. By translating abstract data into visual elements such as charts, graphs, maps, and infographics, data visualization facilitates the exploration, understanding, and communication of information. Now, by using data visualization, how we can enhance comprehension and insight. First of all, the first issue is actually simplifying complexity. Data visualization helps simplify complex data sets, making them more accessible and digestible. By transforming numbers, trends, and patterns into visual representations, it enables users to grasp information quickly and effortlessly. Decision makers can quickly grasp key insights, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions with greater efficiency. Second one is identifying patterns and trends. Visualizing data makes it easier to identify patterns, correlations, and trends that might not be apparent in raw data. By presenting information in a graphical format, data visualization enables users to spot outliers, understand relationships, and derive meaningful insights. Third one is enabling interactivity and exploration. Interactive data visualization allows users to delve deeper into the data, filter information, and explore specific aspects. By enabling users to interact with the visual representations, data visualization empowers them to ask questions, test hypotheses, and gain a deeper understanding of the underlying data. The fourth one is communicating insights. Visual representations are inherently more engaging and memorable than rows of numbers or text. Data visualization enables organizations to effectively communicate insights to stakeholders, facilitating better understanding and alignment across teams. This fosters collaboration, reduces miscommunication, and enables faster decision-making processes. The fifth one is real-time monitoring. Interactive data visualization tools allow businesses to monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, and metrics in real time. This empowers teams to identify anomalies, spot trends, and take immediate action, optimizing productivity and minimizing downtime. The last one is storytelling with data. Effective data visualization enables organizations to tell compelling stories using data. By combining various visual elements, such as charts, maps, and infographics, decision makers can convey complex concepts and narratives. This storytelling approach fosters engagement, aids comprehension, and drives more productive discussions and brainstorming sessions. What to do for best practices in data visualization? First, know the audience. Tailor the visualization to the intended audience. Consider their level of expertise, background knowledge, and specific information needs. Design visualizations that speak directly to their interests and priorities. Second, choose the right visual representation. Select visual representations that best convey the data's message. Bar charts, line graphs, scatter plots, heat maps, and tree maps are just a few examples of wide range of visualization options available. Align the chosen visualization with the data's characteristics and insights you want to highlight. And then emphasize clarity and simplicity. Keep the visualizations clean, uncluttered, and easy to understand. Avoid unnecessary embellishments; those may distract from the data. Use clear labels, titles, and color coding to guide viewers and convey information effectively. And then leverage interactivity. If appropriate, incorporate interactive elements into your visualizations. Allow users to explore the data, drill down into specific details, and manipulate variables to gain deeper insights. Interactive features enhance engagement and empower users to extract more value from the data. Let's move on with how to enhance productivity by using this data visualization techniques with big data analytics. Now, data visualization complements big data analytics by transforming complex data into intuitive and visually appealing representations. It plays a crucial role in enhancing productivity by facilitating effective communication and decision making. The first issue is operational efficiency. Big data analytics helps organizations optimize their processes and operations. By analyzing vast amounts of data, businesses can identify bottlenecks, streamline workflows, and eliminate inefficiencies. This leads to improved resource allocation, reduced costs, and enhanced productivity. The second enhancement is customer understanding. Big data analytics enables organizations to gain a deep understanding of their customers. By analyzing customer data, including purchasing behavior, preferences, and feedback, businesses can tailor their products, services, and marketing strategies. This personalized approach enhances customer satisfaction, loyalty, and ultimately productivity. Third enhancement is predictive maintenance. With the help of big data analytics, organizations can leverage predictive maintenance techniques to optimize equipment maintenance schedules. By analyzing sensor data and machine performance, businesses can detect potential failures in advance, schedule maintenance proactively, and minimize downtime. This leads to increased productivity and reduced operational disruptions. The fourth one is data integration. To maximize productivity, organizations should focus on integrating data from various sources. By consolidating data streams, businesses can create a comprehensive and unified view of their operations, customers, and market dynamics. This integrated data serves as the foundation for accurate and holistic analysis. The fifth one is real-time insights. Emphasize real-time data analysis and visualization to make timely decisions. By leveraging technologies that enable real-time data processing and visualization, organizations can stay agile and respond promptly to changing circumstances. This helps improve productivity by enabling proactive decision-making based on up-to-date information. The sixth one is user-centric design. When implementing data visualization tools, prioritize user-centric design principles. The visualization representations should be intuitive, user-friendly, and tailored to the needs of different stakeholders. A well-designed user interface enhances productivity by facilitating easy exploration, analysis, and interpretation of data. And after achieving these 6 enhancements, we have to keep this process enhancing productivity process going. So the 7th one is continuous improvement. Encourage a culture of continuous improvement in data analytics and visualization. Foster an environment where users are encouraged to provide feedback, suggest improvements, and share insights derived from data visualization. This iterative approach helps refine the analysis process and ensures that data-driven decisions are continually optimized for productivity. Okay, now we had a look at big data analytics and data visualization techniques, and then we discussed how to enhance productivity. Now, from this point of view, I'd like to share our experience from developing entrepreneur information system of the Turkish Ministry of Industry and Technology, as known as EIS. The motto of ours as EIS team is you can't manage what you don't measure, and EIS is a project of data integration to simplify. Data integration is the merging of data obtained from different public institutions in different formats and reporting them for the use of decision makers. It's gathered from different sources and later on integrated in a database by means of common standards, such as taxpayer identity numbers or citizen identity numbers at microdata level. We aim to be recognized as a reliable and integrated data source for both national and international decision makers and researchers. Our vision is to be a system which has reliability, objectivity, confidentiality, interoperability, agility, flexibility, and accessibility. Now, in EIS, there are steps such as data acquisition, data cleansing, classification, and adaptation of new data sets in the integration process. In order to ensure data integrity, organize data, and speed up the data integration process, activities are carried out to automate all of these steps using extracting, transforming, and loading ETL technologies. On the screen, you see 13 stakeholders of EIS. We gathered about 7 terabytes of data in volume, and the data volume is growing day by day. Our stakeholders are, of course, first of all, our ministry, Ministry of Industry and Technology, and then Ministry of Trade, Ministry of National Education, Ministry of Environment, Urbanization and Climate Change, Revenue Administration, Social Security Institution, Public Procurement Authority, Higher Education Council, Turkey Statistic Institute, Scientific and Technological Research Council of Turkiye, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Organization, Turkish Standards Institution, and Turkish Patent and Trademark Institution. I have to say that all enterprises are covered. All enterprises established and engaged in commercial activities in Turkey are covered in EIS. You see it's written GBS on the screen. GBS is the Turkish abbreviation of EIS. The data in EIS covers the years between 2006 and 2021. We have data fields. Number of data fields are close to 1,000 in EIS. So in here, I will give a summary of data fields. Now, with EIS, it's possible to measure financial structures, which contains income statement, assets and liability statements, trade values between sectors and provinces, employment, gender, age, wage, occupational code-based, import and export values by product, country, and province. Also, we have intellectual and industrial property rights covering patents, utility models, trademarks, and the supports and incentives given by our ministry and its related institutions, installed capacities by product and province, actual productions by product and province for manufacturing enterprises, and number of enterprises and workplaces, and it goes so on and so forth. All the data in EIS is classified. You see 5 different classifications here. All of these classifications are national or international classifications. The first one, sectoral classification, covers the activities of the enterprises or foreign trade classifications. The second ones are the regional classifications that are used in Turkey. For example, we have 7 geographical regions, and 81 NAS3 provinces, cities in Turkey, for example, 26 NAS2 regions for development agencies, and like this. The third one is scale classification, the sizes of the enterprises. That we have micro, small, medium, and above SME enterprises in Turkey. And for manufacturing industry only, we have technology level classification. It includes low, medium high, and high technology levels. The last one is spatial classification, and it shows the specific zones in Turkey, like technology development zone, R&D or design centers, or organized industrial zones in Turkey. Okay, after giving information about the data in EAS, now let's talk about the data security of EAS. Since there are a lot of beneficiaries, the security of EAS has a great deal of importance. And EAS is accessed by means of a user-based hierarchy so that each user's access can be monitored. Besides, cybersecurity checks are periodically performed. We also apply security precautions for EAS team. For example, as EAS team, we operate on a separate domain than the ministry's internal network. We can access our offices with identity authorization. We use identity authorized secured crypto USB devices for data storage and etc. On the screen, we have a picture, you see a location that's study and research center of the ministry, where the studies with microdata conducted by the researchers has a great amount of significance. It includes offline computers, no internet connection, USB, and all output slots of the machines are shut down. We have security audits with surveillance cameras, and then no authorized personnel or researcher is allowed inside. We use a fingerprint entry and exit in the entrance. No cell phones, laptops, photographic machines, tablets, and such electronic devices are not allowed inside. And researchers can work with the programs you on the screen, Stata R, Studio, SPSS, Avius, Minitab, MaxQDA, and Office software. They can conduct their researches by using these statistical programs in the study and research center. And last of all, we have a decision-making and data visualization center as well. As we talked before, the presentation of big data using visualization tools for reporting supports the consistent decision-making processes based on data. By visualizing the data within the scope of EAS, it's ensured that the administrative records of all enterprises operating in Turkey are reported. With reports created, various analysis can be performed at the level of sector, region, and scale base, particularly in the manufacturing industry sector, since we are the Ministry of Industry and Technology. In this context, the Decision-Making and Data Visualization Center has been established, and the activities for development are continuously maintained. So, consequently, big data analytics and data visualization have become indispensable tools for enhancing productivity and driving informed decision-making. By leveraging the power of big data analytics, organizations can unlock valuable insights, optimize processes, and gain a competitive edge. Coupled with effective data visualization techniques, these insights can be transformed into visually compelling representations that simplify complexity, communicate effectively, and empower teams to make data-driven decisions with confidence. Embracing the potential of big data analytics and data visualization is a key step toward maximizing productivity in the digital age. And these were my last words. So thank you for the opportunity again.
Thank you very much. Thank you for that very insightful presentation, highlighting the challenges, considerations, implications, and opportunities of big data, Elif. It was also inspiring to learn about the power of visual communication and best practices in data visualization for enhancing productivity. The evolution of big data is affecting businesses, as you said, in many ways, and it is of the utmost importance to concentrate on the productive utilization of data to remain competitive and improve performance over time and to meet future demands. Yeah, if it's appropriate for you, we can pass through the Q&A interactive session. Our viewers have submitted a few questions for us to start with. Is it okay? Yeah, we can
Yes.
go on. Yeah, first
Yes.
of all, they wonder the most popular tools used for big data analytics. I'm sure you have a long list.
Yes, thank you for the questions. Of course, we have some popular tools used for big data analytics. Some of them are cloud-based, some of them are server-based analytic tools. For example, Apache Hadoop and Apache Spark are cloud-based analytic tools, and we have E2E platforms like SAS, and also we have very powerful data visualization tools like ClickSense and Tableau, Microsoft Power BI. We have Google Data Studio. And also there are programming languages, they are open source, open source programming languages. So you don't have to pay something for them, like Python, with libraries like Pandas and NumPy. And we also have R with packages such as dplyr and ggplot2. Our neighbors can use and count these for popular tools for big data analytics.
Thank you. Thank you for that reply. Then the second question is about the ways how big data analytics be applied to improve productivity in a business.
Thank you, Gülşin. Yes, it can be applied in various ways to improve productivity in a business. And for example, it can be used to optimize supply chain management or identify customer behavior patterns, enhance marketing strategies, predict maintenance needs, improve resource allocation, or automate repetitive tasks, and with among other applications, I can say.
Thank you. And another one, what role does AI, artificial intelligence, play in big data analytics and data visualization? I think this question comes from Amit Kumar. He also thanks for your presentation. And yeah, we are listening to you.
Okay, thank you for the question. That's a good question. Of course, artificial intelligence plays a significant role in big data analytics and data visualizations. AI techniques such as machine learning and natural language processing can analyze vast amounts of data and discover patterns that may not be apparent to humans. We can't see them with human eye. And AI-powered algorithms can also generate automated insights and recommendations and assist in creating interactive and dynamic visualizations such as interactive dashboards for more effective data exploration and also decision making. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's go on with introducing big data analytics and data visualization to new organizations. How can organizations and businesses get started?
Oh, that's also a good question. If you want to start, I have to say that first things are first. To get started with big data analytics and data visualization, businesses should first define their objectives and identify the key questions they want to answer. This is the first step, like everything else. And then they should assess their data sources, which data sources they can access, which data fields they can grasp from other institutions or social media, etc. And then they also have to assess their infrastructure requirements, invest in appropriate tools and technologies, and of course, hire or train data analysts proficient in big data analytics and data visualization. It's also essential, as I said in the presentation, it's also essential to establish a data-driven culture within the organization and continuously iterate and improve the analytics and visualization processes.
Yeah.
That's it.
Thank you very much. Yeah. And we have another question. This question points an important topic. I think you had chance to observe this also in your department. What skills are important for professionals working in big data analytics and data visualization? This question also will be, the answer of this question will be also useful for Amit Kumar because he also wonders the impact on professionals of this transformation.
Thank you, Amit, for the questions. That's also a good question. Yes, big data analytics and data visualization is actually an disciplinary area. So professionals in big data analytics and data visualization should have a strong foundation in statistics, data analysis, and programming. And maybe one person cannot cover all of these, but you have to have a mixture of these professionals in your team. They have to be proficient enough in statistics, database management, and of course data visualization. So they should be proficient in using relevant tools and technologies for data manipulation and visualization. Additionally, strong critical thinking, problem solving, and communication skills are essential. Thank you.
Thank you, Elif. Another question from YouTube, Rafik Islam. He asks how big data, give me a second, how big data analysis helps in milk production in dairy farms. Of course, it's hard to answer such a specific question, but we can talk about big data analytics and data visualization and their application in different industries, if you wish.
Yes, thank you very much. You are quite all right. It's at the moment hard to be more specific in particularly the production in their farms, but we can talk about big data analytics and data visualization can be applied across various industries. For example, in healthcare, it can help identify disease patterns and improve patient outcomes, as I said before. In retail, it can optimize inventory management and enhance customer experience. In finance, it can detect fraud and support investment decisions. And for milk productions, milk production, I can say that you can monitor the, your cows producing milk, and so the productivity of milk production, monitor your production line, understand your customers' needs, what types of milk they are preferring, or with milk, do they prefer other milk products, various products such as cheese or something like that. You can think and apply big data analytics according to your data into milk production in dairy farms.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you for your specific answer. And I think you mentioned about this in your presentation, but our viewers want to hear more, I think. They ask how data visualization enhances productivity.
Yes, you are correct. We mentioned in the presentation, but it's good to say something twice, tries to make it more significant. Data visualization enhances productivity by simplifying the understanding of complex data sets. You know, raw data is very complex. Data sets are very complex. So while looking at the tables or numbers, as I said, you can grasp the information it's telling us. You can grasp the story it's telling us. So you have to use data visualization. It enables users to identify trends and correlations and patterns quickly, reducing the time required to extract insights. With intuitive visual representations, stakeholders can make faster decisions and take immediate actions to improve productivity, I can say.
Thank you. Then maybe you can give more information about the challenges in implementing big data analytics and data visualization.
Thank you, Gülçin. For me, yes, first of all, while implementing in big data analytics and data visualization, handling large and diverse data sets while you are ensuring data quality and accuracy and integrating from different sources and maintaining data privacy and security at the same time, it's very challenging. After achieving these, dealing with these challenges, additionally, you have to create meaningful visualizations that effectively communicate insights, and that can be also very challenging.
Yeah, thank you. There's an interesting question here. How can big data analytics and data visualization support decision making in executive roles?
Okay, that's a good question as well. It provides executives, I think, with real-time insights and visual representations of KPIs, key performance indicators. So this enables them to monitor business performance, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions more effectively, of course. And visual dashboards and reports, visual dashboards and reports allow executives to quickly assess the health of their organization, their personnel, and take appropriate actions promptly to drive productivity, I think.
Yeah, you are right. And next question is directly about our ministry's scope. It says, what are some real-world applications of big data analytics and data visualization in manufacturing industries?
Okay, so in manufacturing, big data analytics and data visualization can be used to optimize, like milk dairies, optimize production processes, improve quality control, and enhance supply chain management, to summarize. By analyzing production data, organizations can identify bottlenecks, reduce downtimes, and optimize resource allocation for increased productivity. And I think big data analytics will be very important about digital transformation. We have model factories teaching and trying to apply digital transformation for industry companies. So big data analytics is significant also for a digital transformation of manufacturing industries.
Yeah, it's a good point. And another area of utilization, how can big data analytics and data visualization help in sales and marketing?
Yes, that's a good thing. We talk about different areas where big data analytics can be applied. So in sales and marketing, we can say that um, data visualization, big data analytics can provide insights into, first of all, customer behavior, their preferences, and market trends. And this information also can be used to personalize marketing campaigns, identify target audiences, optimize pricing strategies, and improve customer engagement, leading to increased sales and marketing efficiency, I think.
Thank you. And yes, our viewers have many questions in their minds. If you are not tired, we can go. What role does data governance play in big data analytics and data visualization?
Yes, data governance term is very critical as well. And it's crucial in big data analytics and visualization because it ensures data accuracy, consistency, and compliance. It involves establishing policies, processes, and controls for data management. Those including data quality assurance, data privacy, and data security. These issues are really, really very significant. So when it's proper data governance ensures that the insights derived from analytics and visualizations are reliable and trustworthy.
Yeah,
Yes.
well, thank you. Thank you. How about some techniques used in big data analytics apart from machine learning?
Yes, the machine learning is the most popular one, I think. But in addition to machine learning, big data analytics encompasses techniques such as data mining. We used to call data mining before machine learning term was so popular, became so popular. So also we have natural language processing (NLP) and also text analytics, sentiment analysis, and I think network analysis. These are the techniques enable organizations to extract valuable information from unstructured and structured or semi-structured data sources and further enhancing their productivity. This is what I think.
Yeah, thank you. The next question is also about application in a different field. How can big data analytics and data visualization help in the field of human resources management?
Yes, that's also a good question. Human resources management in HR management, big data analytics and visualization can assist management departments, HR departments in various ways. Like they can help optimize talent acquisition processes. For example, identify skill gaps and also analyze employee performance and predict attritions. If there is attrition, maybe big data analytics can predict these attritions. So it can provide HR professionals with clear visual representations of workforce trends and insights, aiding in strategic workforce planning and talent management, I think. Thank you. Gülçin, I can't see her now, so I think I have to go on with the questions. So let's go on with how can big data analytics and data visualization contribute to customer service improvement? She is here again.
Yeah,
Welcome, Gülçin.
did I drop only?
Yeah, I think something happened like that, but I tried to go on, but
Okay, sorry about that. We answered, I think,
yes,
the human resources management.
yes.
Yeah, okay. And a similar one now, how can these tools contribute to customer service improvement?
Okay, so big data analytics and data visualization can improve customer service by analyzing customer data also their feedbacks about the products and services, and also by analyzing their interactions, by identifying patterns and trends, their marketing behaviors. Organizations can personalize their customer experiences, detect issues proactively, and optimize also support processes for their customers. Visualizations can provide a holistic view of customer satisfaction metrics and enable customer service representatives to make data-driven decisions in real time. That's what I think, Gülçin.
Yeah. This is also very important in our age.
Yes.
And another important thing is ethical issues. Can you mention about ethical considerations in this context? I suppose you have much to say about this.
Yeah, thank you very much. This is also a very good question. Ethical considerations, I think, will be more popular day by day because with growing demand for AI and machine learning, it will affect big data analytics and data visualization. So yes, ethical considerations in big data analytics and data visualization include ensuring data privacy first, very important, obtaining proper consent for data usage. It's also important to preventing algorithmic bias. You have to be careful about biased data and maintaining transparency in data practices. It's essential to handle data responsibly. It's very important to protect sensitive information, and it's very important and it's mandatory, I think, to comply with relevant regulations to build trust with users and stakeholders. The trustworthiness of the data keeper is, I think, very crucial. You have to be very neat and very direct in these issues, Gülçin. That's what I
Yeah,
think.
yeah, it is the guarantee of the system. This
Yes, 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 you are quite right. You are quite right.
How about cybersecurity? How can these tools help in the field of cybersecurity?
Yes, yes. Big data analytics also can be applied in the field of cybersecurity. That's a good question as well. These big data analytics and data visualization techniques can enhance cybersecurity by analyzing, large volumes of security logs, and there is also a large volume of network traffic of the users in the network, and also the behaviors to track the behaviors of the users in the network. By tracking these and analyzing these large volumes of security logs, network traffic, big data analytics and data visualization can help identify potential threats, detect anomalies, and provide real-time insights into cybersecurity incidents. So visualizations also can aid security professionals in understanding complex attack patterns if there's a planned attack. It can help the security professionals to predict it by analyzing the attack patterns and responding effectively to mitigate risks, which is what I think.
Yes, a lot of various numbers of enormous numbers of
Yes, huge.
fields of application. Yes, and this is the last question. What are some emerging trends in big data analytics and data visualization? To
Okay,
sum.
so from my point of view, I think some emerging trends in big data analytics and data visualization include the integration of augmented reality, AR technologies, and virtual reality, VR, for immersive data exploration, and the use of explainable artificial intelligence to enhance transparency in analytics models, and the adoption of automated storytelling techniques to create interactive and engaging data narratives. And I think, like we talked before, additionally, there is a growing focus on ethical and responsible data practices in the era of big data. This is what I think, Gülçin.
Yeah,
Would you
thank
like
you.
to add something? Also, would you like to add something?
I want to thank you so much for giving us your insights over the past hour. Our viewers in APO, member countries and beyond, have gained a lot from this session, I think. Do you have any final thoughts for our viewers before concluding this P-Talk?
Thank you very much. I think I talk too much, but I will say one sentence only. This is what I believe. If we all hope to lead, but not to follow, we must be the closest supporters of systems, enabling the decision-making process easier and trustworthy, independent of the area we are applying big data analytics. So. Yeah, we have to support these decision-making systems a lot. I believe that, Gülçin. And
Yeah,
and thank you for your moderation and Asian Productivity Organization again for this great opportunity.
we thank you. We really appreciate having you here today. Elif, thank you again for joining us, and I'm sure our viewers enjoyed this thought-provoking P-Talk. Viewers, to stay current with the latest knowledge on productivity, please join us in other P-Talks, which are broadcast every Thursday. Subscribing to the APO YouTube channel will ensure that you remain updated. Goodbye for now. Please stay safe and well out there, everyone, and thank you for tuning in.